Have you ever stopped to think about the true hero living inside your chest? It is not a character from a comic book with a flowing cape and superhuman speed. This hero is much more real, much more personal, and it works tirelessly for you every single moment of every single day. We are talking about your heart. This incredible organ is the engine that powers your entire existence, a faithful companion since before you were even born. It beats silently, reliably, asking for so little in return. It is the steady drumbeat of your life, a rhythm that connects you to the very essence of being alive. Let's take a moment to appreciate this unsung superhero. Think of your heart as the central power station for the city that is your body. Every single part of you relies on it. Tips of your toes, top of your head. Without it, the lights would go out. The city would fall silent. Your heart is the reason you can jump for joy, run a race, hug a loved one, or simply sit and dream. So, what exactly is this mighty mission that your heart undertakes every second? In the simplest terms, your heart is a powerful pump. It is a muscular organ at the center of your circulatory system. Think of that system as a vast network of roads and highways running through your body. These highways are your blood vessels, and the vehicles traveling on them are your blood cells. The heart's main job is to pump blood through these vessels to every single cell in your body. It does this with a powerful two-part beat. One part of the heart receives blood that has already traveled through the body. The other part pumps fresh, oxygen-rich blood back out again in a continuous, life-sustaining loop. This process is absolutely essential for life. The blood your heart pumps is not just a red liquid. It is a delivery service of the highest importance. Its most critical cargo is oxygen. As you breathe in, oxygen enters your lungs and is transferred into your blood. Your heart then pumps this oxygenated blood to all your organs and tissues. Diagram: blood flow to the brain. Diagram: blood flow to the arms. Diagram: blood flow to the legs. Your brain needs it to think. Your muscles need it to move. Every part of you needs a constant supply of oxygen to function correctly. Your heart is the masterful conductor ensuring this vital delivery happens without interruption. But the heart's mission does not end with delivery. It also has a crucial cleanup duty. The heart then pumps this blood back to the lungs, where the carbon dioxide is removed when you exhale. The heart is not just a biological pump. It is also full of amazing and surprising secrets. For starters, let's talk about its size. Your heart is not a huge, hulking machine. In fact, it is roughly the size of your own clenched fist. Hold up your fist right now and look at it. That is the approximate size of the superhero in your chest. It is a small but mighty engine. Despite its modest size, its power is immense. Now let's consider its workload. The average adult heart beats about 100,000 times every single day. 100,000 beats per day. That adds up to more than 35 million beats in a year. Over 2.5 billion beats in an average lifetime. And with each beat, it pumps blood throughout your body. This is a level of work that no man-made machine could ever hope to replicate. Your heart does this day in and day out, whether you are running a marathon or fast asleep in your bed. The sheer strength of your heart is also something to marvel at. The muscular contractions of your heart could squirt blood a distance of over 30 feet. Another fascinating secret is that the heart has its own electrical system. Specialized cells create electrical impulses that travel through the heart muscle, causing it to contract and pump blood. This electrical marvel is what makes your heart so uniquely powerful. Now that we appreciate the incredible work our heart does, how can we become its best friend and support its lifelong mission? The good news is that it does not require complicated, drastic measures. The path to a healthier heart is built on a foundation of simple, small, and consistent habits. These are the 5-minute fixes that, when practiced regularly, add up to a huge difference. The first pillar is what you eat. Colorful fruits, vegetables, healthy fats from nuts and avocados, lean proteins. You do not need a perfect diet, just a better one. The second pillar is movement. Your heart is a muscle, and just like any other muscle in your body, it gets stronger with exercise. You do not need to run a marathon or spend hours in the gym. A simple, brisk 30-minute walk each day can work wonders. Dancing in your living room. Gardening. Cycling with your family movement should be a source of joy, not a chore. Taking the stairs instead of the lift. Walking for 5 minutes every hour. Every step you take is a gift to your heart, helping it stay strong and efficient. The third crucial step is to avoid things that actively harm your heart, with smoking being at the very top of that list. Quitting smoking is the single best thing you can do for your heart's health. A 5-minute breathing exercise, listening to calming music, spending time in nature, or connecting with a loved one can all help. Your heart is more than just an organ. It is your partner for life. It is the most loyal and dedicated companion you will ever have. It asks for so little but gives you everything in return. The ability to experience life, to feel love, to chase your dreams, to be present for the people who matter most. Taking care of it is not a burden. It is an honor. It is about nurturing this beautiful partnership. Every healthy choice you make is a gesture of gratitude, a way of saying thank you to the tireless hero in your chest. See this not as a set of rules to follow, but as a way to deepen the connection you have with your own body. Think of the life you want to live. Do you want to have the energy to play with your grandchildren? Do you want to travel the world and see its wonders? Do you want to feel vibrant and strong as you grow older? Your heart is the key to all of these things. A healthy heart is the foundation for a full and joyful life. The small, simple steps you take today, the walk you go on, the apple you choose over a biscuit, the moment of calm you find in a busy day, are investments in your future. They are deposits in your health bank account, ensuring you have the resources to live the life you have always imagined. Feel a sense of pride for this amazing organ. Place your hand over your chest and feel its steady rhythmic beat. That is the sound of life. That is the sound of your personal superhero at work. Be proud of its strength, its resilience, and its unwavering dedication to you. This feeling of pride can be a powerful motivator. When you are proud of something, you want to take care of it. Let that pride inspire you to make choices that honor your heart. Celebrate its power by moving your body. Nourish its strength by eating well. Protect its health by managing your stress. Ultimately, your health is in your hands. The journey to a healthier heart begins with a single step, a single choice. It begins today, on August 28, 2025. Do not wait for a health scare to start paying attention to your body. Start now, from a place of positivity and self-respect. Embrace these simple habits and make them a part of your life. By becoming an active partner with your heart, you are not just preventing disease. You are choosing a life filled with more energy, more joy, and more time to do the things you love. Your heart is your lifeline. Cherish it, protect it, and it will keep you thriving for a lifetime. Place your hand there now. Feel its steady beat. Promise to take one small step today for its health. Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more simple health tips.